This 2025 Grand Design Transcend 265 BHT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.